Kasee pa na bra wo free mo no na abusua ya ne na edi animu hu se abrante ne te ase na hyen cars ade ne ma ne giant ne woto de ne bo de ne bebre sande live fi nanso na ne swade hunu ne se bia ya wo ko school we Disadel College obetumi asi ye bia ya ma adesuafo de wonti ato de kan se dormitory no ye nti abusua no oten na hyen ne bi awia tumi de kukuru sa dan no asi wa Adom Kasee de atwi
Businessman a friend Miguel Atu Mould a oto anananom wonsiedo ebusua atonton na hyen de akosi dormitory sonkon de ama Disadel College mfimfini mantem na sa dormitory sika womo de CN 5 million Ghana cedis na bra womo de dormitory ema sukufo empenifo no na beto dwa se papa ya wonya ne baby akoi obi ana wodo ahyen itino wa hyen ahodo ana hyen no efe na nanebo edin ahyen ni bi ene Lamborghini Euros Lamborghini Huracan area atom ene de ka na bra businessman yi eto ananan wonsie do no enumu ho ana o maame kire na adwene se na hyen ahodo ana wowo no womonton na womo emfankosi dormitory emfama Disadel school no.
Atu Mould, you know, was a fine, affable, wonderful person who joined us, and we went through O-level with him.
Openia wonya ne baby eko ne classmate Bishop Ato Dixon a war Healing Jesus Cathedral ene essential for atwetwen komo.
One brother of ours, we call him Atik Emmanuel Jeffrey, who actually approached the mom and said that, look, we want to support in this great work that you want to do. So about 16 months ago, the place was giving and the sword was cut. And I think that exactly 16 months, the contractor has delivered to the point.
Dormitory aye kan ho asemi adankra insia ene wom ejanan ahodo ene boho a womo ede tanki bi ahyehya insu esone ede ko adan hodom o businessman baako a ono esan ye chancellor ede ma UCC Dr. Sam Jonah a ne ni giye wanamuntu abusua no etuye no enso nsem ode tu dwani.
They claim that produce many distinguished Ghanaians. Indeed, we have produced 3 chief justices in this country. We even occasionally claim that we produced the first female vice chancellor of a university, Professor Nana.
Headmaster Edema Disadel College Samuel Agudugo eda ebusuana se wanamuntu a womo etuye.
This is more so because it is the day on which we receive a huge solution to curbing overcrowding and congestion in the various dormitories of the 10 houses of the great college in Ghana. And the sight of this magnificent building before us gives both staff and students the impetus to work harder towards ensuring the college achieves its vision and mission.
Omanhine owo Ogwa traditional area osaberi makwisi ata a otoso mienu enso nsem ode tu dwani.
But I will plead with all of us, from what we have heard about this gentleman, what he stands for, what he's been able to do for his fellow men, let's all take a part of his life.
Wojumedie na sino openia wonya ne baby ko ne maame Sati Okran sukufo yi esiesie no eboje ni so ema ne gogongo ema ne yoyoyo
yenko